Hola amigos y buenos días. Soy Ruth. First thing I'd like to do today is pedir perdón, pedir disculpas, and that means to say sorry, porque la calidad del sonido might not be perfecto. Mi vecino, which means my neighbor, mi vecino, está cortando el césped. And that means he's cutting the grass. Cortando el césped. No sé, I don't know, no sé si se oye, if you can hear. No sé si se oye, pero disculpe. Ahora, por favor, like the video y subscribe to the channel. Hoy estoy en Unidad 6 de Pasos. Pasos es un curso de español y Unidad 6 se llama, Unidad 6 se llama algo más. Se trata de compras. It's called anything else, it's about shopping. Y hoy quiero presentar un libro de vocabulario que yo uso mucho. Se llama The Big Red Book of Spanish Vocabulary, Masses of Cognates. Let me presentar el libro un poquito. So it's in varias secciones. La primera sección es grupos de palabras that are on a theme. Por ejemplo, the city, la ciudad, county, condado, district, distrito, municipality is municipio. So we've got that, suburbios, población, urbano. Estos tipos de grupos. La segunda sección. Oh, I love this section and I haven't used it much. Es familias de palabras. Now, yo tengo una serie que se llama The Daily Word Builder, which is 7 videos in a row, all based on a theme. And I recorded more than 180 videos. Pero no usé este libro. So I might revisit them and just have a look at what este libro puede aportar, can bring to that series. Por ejemplo, okay, pelo is hair. So let's have a look at that grupo. Pelirrojo is red-haired person. Pelón, is a bald person. Peluquero is a hairstylist. Pelo is hair itself. Peluquín is a toupee. Peluquería is a hairdresser's shop. Y peludo is hairy. So we've got este grupo and puedes ver, you can see que es bueno estudiar grupos de palabras. Al final del libro, there are 5,000 most common palabras, but one caveat is that these are in written newspaper español. Yo prefiero las palabras que hablamos porque son un poco diferentes que las más comunes de los periódicos, pero there are going to be a big overlap, so it is useful. Y mi sección favorita, we've got words organized by their ending, by their suffixes. And that's what I want to presentar hoy. Porque hablamos de las tiendas. Y bueno, let me read to you. Aria is commonly used in Spanish to denote a type of shop or store. Okay, the root noun to which the ending is attached is the main item being sold. There's always an accent over the I, and all of these nouns with Aria are feminine. Okay, so I'll just show you really briefly. Look how long la lista is, and we've got dos páginas. So let's go through unas tiendas or establishments. Una barba is a beard, and una barbería is a barber shop. We have el café, which is coffee, and a coffee shop is una cafetería. See? Meat is carne. Think of chili con carne. And a butcher is la carnicería. Fruit is fruta. So fruit shops are fruterías. Furniture, which we did in a previous chapter, is el mueble, and a furniture shop is una mueblería. So always this ería ending. Pelo and una peluquería. Clothes, which vamos a hablar de la ropa, clothes, in a very near future lesson. And ropa, a clothes shop is una ropería. Verduras are your greens, your vegetables, and a vegetable shop, a greengrocer's, is una verdulería. Okay, that might be just in España, verdulería. Not all, not todos, de las palabras que terminan con ería are shops. I quite like the word for rude, it's grosero, and a bit of rudeness, and maybe a swear word, is una grosería. But mi favorito es golfear, and that means to loaf around, to hang around, golfear. Isn't that funny for all you golf players? And la golfería is loafing or hanging around. Bien. I would like you to preparar 8 oraciones. Una oración is a sentence. Las oraciones could be, they could use se vende, which means is sold, or they could use se compra, which is bought. So we could say, la fruta se vende en la frutería, or we could say, la fruta se compra en la frutería. Or we could say, en el pasado, la fruta se vendía en la frutería, o en el pasado, la fruta se compraba en una frutería. I would like you to estudiar los nombres de 4 tiendas, la frutería, la verdulería, la carnicería, and one that I didn't mention, no mencioné, la pescadería. El pescado is fish, ready to eat. Un pez is a fish when it's still swimming. Un pescado is the meat of el animal, listo para comer, y se vende y se compra en la pescadería. Vale. So play with the words. By playing with the words, by playing with the sentences, it makes it easier for you to grabar, to record las palabras en la memoria, ¿vale? Vamos a estudiar unas palabras for different types of carne, pescado, fruta y verdura. If you'd like to have a look, if you have the Pasos book, you could have a look in páginas 80 y 81. I will also put a link on. You can have a look if you download the free transcripts at actividades 1 y 3 y 4. And they'll give you el vocabulario for esta clase y por la próxima clase. Okay, so that's Pasos. I have presented today the Big Red Book of Spanish Vocabulary. I love it, but it won't be for everybody. And I'll see you soon. Adios.